Hello everyone, my name is Leanne. So today I'm going to talk about InDesign in the graphic design industry. So Adobe InDesign is an application that is a standard in the graphic design industry. And it's also an industry standard software that it's also used for publishing design. It's also used by marketing professionals as well. It could be used to create flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, posters, business cards, and um, postcards, stickers, comics, and many other types of documents or visual communication as well. What could InDesign be used for? InDesign is the best application if graphic designers use multi or single page layouts. Other ways InDesign could be used are combining text, images, and color, design visual layouts and pages, useful for documents containing multiple pages. Even though that you can practically do anything in InDesign, it doesn't mean that you should abandon all use of the other applications Adobe has as well. Let's see. If you're going to design different layouts, there are other Adobe applications to use rather than InDesign. Mainly because InDesign is a complex application, and despite that you could do anything, it's easier to work in different applications that specify in what you want to do. Let's say if you want to edit a photo or web graphics, mockups, like Photoshop, for example. Photoshop specializes with photos, artwork, web graphics, and mockups, mainly because all the tools you need are in these applications and they're easy access to them. Photoshop is also specializes in image editing and layered images. And with layered images also you can make layered documents and you can turn it into one. You could do the same in InDesign, but it's just a lot easier to work with it in Photoshop. So next we have Illustrator. Illustrator, you could create logos, mascots, icons, and one-page documents. In Illustrator, you have artboards that are similar to the pages that they have in InDesign, but it's mainly recommended if you are going to do something that you're able to do in Illustrator, you should just use Illustrator because, like I said, like with Photoshop and all the other applications as well, you have everything already there. InDesign is really complex, so and in InDesign, lastly, in InDesign you could create multi-page layouts and single-page layouts. Alright, so here we have some examples of photos of InDesign work. So here is a magazine right here. Here is a pamphlet, I believe. Yeah, this is a pamphlet. And this one, I can't really tell if this is a newspaper article or a magazine article. I thought it was a newspaper article, but here is a screenshot of some of the pages that are right here in the newspaper magazine. And here are the grids and everything. Like I said, it's almost like you could use this in replacement, like for you cannot, but it's not really recommended if you just use InDesign for like all your work and like replace like Illustrator. But like I said, they're still good to have. So and lastly, this looks like a poster with text images. So yeah, like I said, InDesign is a really complex app, but it's still a really great app if you want to create books and posters and just single page or multi-page documents. So that's all I have to say for now. Thank you for watching.